So a few days ago, I bought a cheap laptop off of eBay, and today I'll be discussing what I bought and if you should buy one. So next year I'll be starting my first year of high school, and they require you to have a Chromebook. They of course give them out to everyone, but when I found out what the specs probably are, which are on the screen for you to view, I was a bit disappointed. I mean, you do get to use it free of charge, which is nice, but these are like the lowest end specs. So I thought to myself, why not get my own laptop? Well, that's easier said than done because I am on a very tight budget. I mean, seriously tight. So a new laptop wasn't an option. Then I thought, why not buy used? After I did some research, I found out about some laptops that are in my price range. And those are previous generation ThinkPads, Dell Latitudes, and HP EliteBooks. I looked around eBay and came across this. A Lenovo ThinkPad T410S for almost $60, which I made an offer for $40. And they accepted it. So, I think I got a great deal here, but did I really? Well, it was listed as 4 parts, not working, but the pictures actually show the laptop in the BIOS. So I'm assuming that the cellular isn't all that tech savvy and thought that since it's in the BIOS it doesn't work, but it looks like it actually does in the pictures. So hopefully that's how it turns out and the pictures aren't just a lie. The specs are okay, but I do plan on upgrading it to satisfy my needs. The CPU appears to be an i5-56M, which that's basically a first generation hyper-threaded dual-core processor. That should be fine, but I have seen people get that i5 up to an i7. There's only a gigabyte of RAM, but that will definitely be upgraded. No hard drive or battery, which is fine, probably going to replace those anyway. And it has like a 15-inch 1400 by 900 display, integrated Intel graphics, I think a DVD drive, and yeah, that's basically it. So it all sounds great, but is it a scam? I say that because, sure, the pictures say the laptop works, but is the seller trying to trick someone and fool them with the pictures? Well, hopefully my assumption is correct and the seller doesn't know what a BIOS is. But is this laptop worth buying? Well, I'll just have to wait and see because I can't judge it until I actually use it. So when it arrives, I'll make sure to do a review actually answering this question. Anyway guys, I think that wraps everything up. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you didn't, you know where to go. While you're at it, don't forget to get subscribed for more videos like this one. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.